Hello and welcome to Yes We Can, Learning Opportunity in Crisis. Today we are going to study Chapter 1 of NCERT Class 5 EVS, Super Senses. We'll do this chapter in 3 parts, so let us start Super Senses Part 1. First of all, you should understand what are sense organs and how many sense organs do we have. Sense organs are the organs which help us to know and understand the world around us. The organs that help us to see, to feel, to taste, to smell and to hear are called sense organs. There are 5 sense organs in humans and they are: first, we have a pair of eyes which help us to see the colorful world around us. Second, a pair of ears which help us to hear. Third, a nose which helps us to smell. Fourth, tongue which helps us to taste. Fifth, skin which helps us to feel different kinds of touches like hot, cold, pinch, cut, soft, rough and so many other feelings. The sense organs should not be used for evil thoughts and deeds. We must always see good things, speak good things and hear good things. Be careful little eyes what you see. Be careful little ears what you hear. Be careful little tongue what you speak. Be careful little nose what you smell. Be careful, oh skin, what you feel. There is God watching you, who is always with you. So be careful, sense organs, what you do. Not only we, animals also have different senses. They can see, hear, taste and smell. Some animals have senses that are much more stronger than our senses. That is why we call it super senses. Do you know how? Come, let us find out. Has this ever happened to you? You were eating in the playground, an eagle flew down and took away your roti. Can we see a food item from so far? But eagle can see. Then sometimes it must have happened that as you walked softly past a sleeping dog, its ears shot up at once. And it happens so often that you dropped something sweet on the ground and within minutes many ants collected around it. How does the ant come to know that there is some sweet fallen on the ground? Why does it happen? Some animals have senses that are much stronger than our senses. Super senses. That is why the things which we cannot see, hear or smell, they can see, hear and smell. Some animals can see the prey from far away. Some can hear even the faintest sound, means the sound which is very soft. Can't hear clearly. Some animals can find their friends by smell. Some animals can predict dangers. The animal world is full of amazing senses, isn't it so? The first super sense we are going to study about is super sense of smell in ants. Ant, masters in smelling. Drop a piece of sweet on the ground and observe after a few minutes. A few ants immediately collect around the sweet and carry it jointly to the hole in ant hill. Ants magically appear in unattended sweet food. There is an army of ants attacking sweet. Ants find out the sweet by their strong sense of smell. An ant goes out to look for food and leaves a trail. Trail means line of chemical behind for it to find its way home. This leaves a line along the path where the ant has moved and other ants follow the line to the food source. That means it only takes one ant to get the party started. Now there is one more interesting example. How did the ant recognize a friend? Actually what happened, an ant was going along on the ground. It saw a group of ants coming from the other side. The first ant quickly came back to its hole. The ant guarding the hole recognized it and let it in. You have studied in class 4 that there are three types of ants: queen ant, worker ant and soldier ant. So the soldier ant which was guarding the nest allowed the ant which came back to come inside. Now there are two questions. How did the ant which came back know that the other ants which were coming from the other side were not from its group? And second question is, how did the guard ant recognize this ant which it allowed to come in? The very interesting fact is that the guard ant recognized the ant because ants have super sense of smell. Ant recognizes its group members with the sense of smell. On their bodies, ants have a special smell unique to their colony. This helps them distinguish members of colony from those that aren't. They smell chemicals called pheromones that they produce and can easily differentiate other colonies of ants by smell alone. Just as you recognize your friends, parents, brothers, sister by their face, ants recognize their friends by their smell. Now you know that ants move in a line. Suppose ants were going in a line and you blocked their path for a while with a pencil. How do the ants move then? If you block their path, the ants will begin to walk in circles as they search for another scent line and follow that again. Isn't it interesting? Animal world is full of amazing senses. A male silkworm locates its female partner by her smell from as far as 5 miles. Have you ever wondered that how mosquitoes find you out for a treat? Mosquitoes can find us from 30 meters away. They can find us by the smell of our body, smell of the sole of our feet and the heat of our body. Even dogs have a super sense of smell. Have you seen a dog sniffing here and there? What do you think it is trying to smell? You must have seen dogs doing toilet here and there. In this way, dogs mark out their own area on the road. You also must have seen that when a new dog comes in your area, how strongly the dog of our area starts barking. Dogs never allow a new dog to enter their area. They can make out if another dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty. In this picture also, the dog is smelling the urine to find out whether this area belongs to any other dog. Now let us see in what ways do human beings make use of this special sense of smell of dogs. Dogs have an excellent sense of smell. Some can even be trained as scent dogs. Their job is only to smell. Dogs help police and forensic department for tracking criminals, missing persons, toxic substances, to detect drugs, stolen things, explosives and scents of their masters. Bees and butterflies also have the super sense of smell with which they can easily locate the flowers. Now let us summarize the names of animals with super sense of smell. Ant, silk moth, mosquito, butterfly, cat, bee, dog, bear, rat, cat, etc. Now the question is, when do you find your sense of smell helpful to you? List some examples like to know by its smell that the food has gone bad or that something is burning. We can recognize the smell of flowers, insect, tasty food, perfumes, gas leakage in the kitchen. Name the animals that you would be able to recognize only by their smell without seeing them. We can recognize the following animals by their smell: dogs, cats, buffalo, cow, fish, camel, goat, horse, etc. So, this is the end of part 1 in which we have discussed super sense of smell in animals. We'll meet very soon with part 2 to continue this chapter. Keep watching. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel. Yes, we can. Learning Opportunity in Crisis for more upcoming videos.